My name is Jackson Twalipo, and I'm a technical director at IPF Softwares. I've been a user of mobile, that is for MNO, for quite a while. But recently, something has been done in the banking industry, and it has given me a shift to banking. So it's between the two, I could say right now how I'm using it is a 50-50. So to me, if the banking account becomes more broader and more accessible than it is right now, like how the MNO have excelled in accessibility, I will lean on the mobile banking more. Yeah, to me, I know a lot of people say they'll lean to the MNOs because again, it's one of the quite convenient way to transact. And it's really actually linked closely to all these services that we are doing and transact on a day-to-day basis. To me, and I said, I like using the banking industry mostly because that's where my monthly salary lands. I would say, I've been transacting a lot. And whenever I do any transaction, I'll actually have a description. Why am I doing the transaction? Like I'm doing this for any other thing else. And those automatic transactions that you do, like when you try to buy Nuku or pay for water bills, they are actually logged automatically because it will say the description. It is paying water bill description, is paying an electric bill. So that means those are actually automatically logged. What else actually doing when tapped. So if it was to automate something with the AI, to me, it will be because it already knows my habit. It always knows my consumer habits. Some sort of a budgeting automation there. Like, because again, I pay water bill, I pay this kind of bills. I have a lot kind of bills that I pay on a monthly basis. So depending on the cash that I have at a specific time that I've allocated, it could prioritize this billing, like any other technology when it comes. I think we saw how the internet disrupted everything, actually, and especially the financial sector. But again, with the AI agent, it will actually make it easy for banks to get even closer to their customers. One is understanding patterns so that they can bring in more services and more product to these customers. And that is basically coupled with understanding human behavior, really, because for a lot of time of this financial sector, they have had the data and understanding consumer behavior in terms of financing and taking out money. So now with the agents, AI, you can take it even further and analyze and understand this data so that you can tailor and bring them more product or services that actually make more sense to them. And again, there's a lot of automation here. Think about customer care that is not biased. Super unbiased customer care, because this is an agent who is given specific instructions, so they'll really take care of this customer in a very, very transparent and honest way. That is actually based on the instructions, so with no emotion attached howsoever. So, and this could even get even much better. It's a 24 hours customer care, which is strong and is as reliable. Because again, with an AI agent, you can feed it more information that more than a human can carry at a specific point in time. That means it gives you a wider range on what the appropriate answers that you can give a customer on a specific problem, and even go further and just resolve those problems for them automatically. It's in the morning, it's in the afternoon, it's in the midnight. So this is now bringing, as I said before, bringing customers and banks more closer, bringing that gap between the two by actually having a convenience way for them to access and get services and help to the customers. I think this is more we're shifting from that transactional relationship to a conversational relationship with expense. I mean, to a person who actually provides services for people, customer support is at the center of this. And for the most of the time, to me, customer support has been very far distance for a customer. Instead of saying, kwa kudadi, if you wanna talk to, please press 1 and wait again. If you wanna do this, press 2 and then if you wanna do this, press 3. Why don't I just come in and say, this is my problem, please help, and I get the next answer that will be very close to my problem. But now I have to find my problem within the menus, within the customer care service. I have to find my problem again. I think if I could say one final word, is let's embrace AI. It's not something that we can run off. So we have had a lot of revolutions. They say industrial revolution, art revolution, and now AI is bringing some other set of revolution and something that we have to adapt it. We have to embrace it and you actually use it for actual use cases that actually solve real world problem. And those should be our own problem, our day-to-day problems. This is AI Ladder with IPF Softwares.